Okay, just allow me a moment. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So I had asked all of you to join today using YouTube Live in doubt clearing session. Like I think 5 to 10 people pinged me who recently enrolled, and I can see 4 or 5 people here on live. So maybe the recordings will be available, guys, in the YouTube, so you will able to go through those recordings. So I will try to take the majority of the question which you pinged me on WhatsApp. Okay. So this is doubt clearing session. Let me just highlight it for you. Doubt clearing session 2023 batch and 15th Jan. Okay. So happy Makar Sankranti to all of you and your family. So let us start, guys. Okay. So yep. So first of all, wait a minute. Let me close this. Okay. Let me change the font to start. Okay. So let me open the VDI. Okay. So first of all, you were facing issues with installation with the virtual box itself. So let me tell you from beginning what are the things I'm using here. Let me go here. Okay. So I will show you. So here you can see like I'm using VirtualBox, guys, 6.1. Okay. Okay. Okay, some people are pinging in WhatsApp. You can ping on YouTube Live also in WhatsApp. YouTube Live chats are not appearing to me. I don't know if you are pinging also there. I'm not able to see here. I have to check the settings. Okay, so I'm using 6.1. Okay, earlier I was using 5.2. Now I'm using 6.1. And if I talk about recent version is 7. I'm not using 7 because it has some issues with Linux. Okay, so yep, I hope you are clear. So first of all, how to create a virtual machine? You are, like some of you know, and a lot of people have issues in step one. Like in the training when you are going through the courses, you are finding issues in here when we are installing, the Linux. This level you are getting here. Introduction, I had explained you the how industry works, everything. So when we are going through 1 minute, okay. So when you are going through this steps and these steps, so here you are finding the troubles, right? Because you all are new, so let me explain you how you can we will fix it. So I will show you once again. First of all, you already have this VDI I had shared to you, OIM 2013, right? I have shared both the version 11G and 12C both, so you have my virtual machine. So those who are working in 11G in the project, they can go through 11G. Those who are working in 12C in the project, they can go through the 12C, right? These virtual machines. So you don't need to set up if you already have a good configuration. I will show you my personal configurations here. You can see. See, install RAM is 64 GB. Obviously, I know this is a laptop. Okay, this is a laptop I bought from USA. So almost I invested more than 2 lakhs just for this laptop. Since I'm a trainer, so I need some high configuration machines. But if you really want to match up with my configurations, so this is the configuration. This is a Xeon, okay, processor I'm using, obviously 8 core. But even 4 cores with 32 to 16 GB RAM is okay, but don't try beyond below 16 GB RAM. Okay, if you some of you might already have experience more than here. I can see some of the names, okay, in WhatsApp who are pinging already had a communication with more than 15-16 year of experience. Guys, if you are a learner, I will tell you one thing. Learner have an attitude. When you are in my life, I have only this attitude. If you really going up, your heads will be down, then you will go up. And when you are falling down, right, then your heads will be high. Okay. So if you are a learner, those I had trained multiple people, more than including self-paced, if I will say, more than thousand of people I have trained all around the globe. And if I talk about out of the 1,000 people, hardly 5 to 6% people actually know end to end the level I know. Reason, they think they know. Some people, they think they know everything, Some people are like that. They even they know the things, they take it very seriously, the training, and go through, and obviously they find themselves on next level. Some freshers come to me, those have no experience, but they are also doing very well after the training, able to switch. Okay, so while you are learning something, you should show some sort of dedication from your side. Okay, uh, you know that's why I'm saying, never be proudy on you. I had worked on every single technology out there in identity and access management. You can see in my YouTube channel, there is no technology I had never touched. This is my second YouTube channel. First YouTube channel was striked out by SailPoint, as obviously my popularity was more in SailPoint than a sell point company itself. Okay, my YouTube channel grow was better than them, so obviously it got highlighted and I got striked out. But after knowing so much, you have never find me there is any explanations. I explain in such a way, like at my level, people will not even explain, give 10 minutes to you. Okay, because they do not want to explain, from scratch, but I still am explaining from the scratch. That's why I'm saying, always head, when you are a learner, always head will be down and you will be learning, right? So while learning, okay, throw all your emotions, ego, everything side, just try to learn the product and master it. Okay, uh, so let's start without wasting much of your time. Okay, I'm just going to show you. So first of all, this VDI, many people install. Some people are finding issues when you are trying to install in 7.1 or 5.2 due to virtual guest edition, virtual machine. Guest edition are different in 6.0 and or 6.1 and 5.2. That's why the screen is not coming full. Okay, to match up with me, try either 6.1. 1 minute. Okay. Try either 6.1 or in 5.2 or 5 point whatever version you are using, install guest edition again. Okay. Then it will be fixed. Okay, perfect. Somebody is pinging on WhatsApp, sir. I have 8 GB of RAM. What should? Okay. Okay, Avinav see, if you have 8 GB of RAM, believe me, this window itself, Windows 10, 11, they are taking more than 4 GB of RAM, right? So you will not able to run OIM, or even you are running, SailPoint and any other product, you will not feel that, virtualization, feeling, means your system will be hanging a lot when you run any of the server or database. Like you will not feel that. Okay, so minimum try 16 GB of RAM, upgrade your system. All of you are not earning less than that, which you can't upgrade your system, right? You all are engineers, right? So there is nothing you can invest. 10 and 20,000 is nothing, nothing, even not even 10% of your salaries, I assume. Okay, okay, perfect. So see how I will create virtual machine. Before creating virtual machine, make sure you have a network device. So by default you will always see this network device. You have to create. Let me click create. See, and enable the second network, then double click on this and keep an IP address. DSCP server enable, make it 100, and range should be from 101 to 254, and apply. That's it. So create one virtual box. I resetted my system, this system, yesterday, just to show you, because I already have a lot of virtual machines and all. So it might, you will not able to match up with my system. That's why for you guys only I resetted this PC, and I'm just showing you from scratch. Okay. Okay. Okay, some questions are coming to me. Okay, on my WhatsApp. Okay, guys, let me just step by step clarify. I got all your doubts. I have all your doubts. Don't worry. Okay. So yep. Okay. Then just go to welcome page and just click on new, and here you give Oracle is the first letter. Okay, always identity manager 2023. Okay. So Oracle, when you give Oracle, you will see this logo will come. Okay, Linux and Oracle 64-bit. Okay, Oracle 64-bit. Press O. 64 bit. Okay, so Oracle Identity Manager 2023, and make sure you have sufficient space, assuming 50-80 GB of space you should have for functionality. Now you can see even 64 GB RAM, I have 50 GB is only I can allocate. That's why I'm saying Windows will kill some of the RAM, right? So you must have some good amount of RAM. Minimum, I will tell you, put 16 GB even in 12C and 11G, whatever you are doing. Okay, just try minimum 16 GB. But since I have let me do it for you from 16 GB only. Okay, even you can do it. Yeah, let me try it on 16 GB. Okay, because if I will give 32 GB, and when I will give this virtual machine to you, it might not work. uh, yeah, okay. Let me try. Okay, you already given machine, right? So let me try 32 GB of RAM. 34, 36 GB, something like that, so that I will feel that smoothness while working. Okay, so you will give already virtual machine one is shared with you, right? Two, three virtual machines are there, so you can use any of them. Okay, this I'm creating for myself. Okay, so 36 GB I'm giving. Okay, and click VDI, and here you need to give 120 GB. Okay, go to settings now, and here make it bi-directional. System, we don't use floppy, right? So uncheck the floppy, head up the optical. See, I have multiple processors, right? You can see I have multiple processors, so I can use any of them. So in minimum I'm using two, but if you do not have one or two, just leave it. It's just for performance purpose. Okay, nothing else. And coming to my ISO file, so this is on desktop actually. So choose disk file. Let me go to desktop, and there is an ISO file I inserted here. You can see it's inserted ISO file. Now go to network and just attach host only adapter 2, allow all. Okay, and that's it. Even we can create some shared folder. At this moment we don't need it, and that's it. Configurations are done. Just click start. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the versions which I am using for this training. Okay, now I am pressing up arrow and hitting install. Installations are very simple, guys. So those who are finding difficulty, for them I'm doing live, you can also do. Okay, there is some question, let me read. Sir, I'm also doing parallelly. Okay, Vishnuji, you are doing it parallelly, do it, no issues. Yeah, because there were some bugs. Okay, do it parallelly. If issues are coming, let me know. Okay, so I just want today, you will able to have your system ready. Okay, then I'm jumping in and I'm selecting the language, time India. Based on your time zone, you can select whatever the time zone you are liking. Things are simple. Okay, so yeah, you can see like I'm doing live, right? There are for the name check, there are many people, but nobody will come and give this much of effort, right? Nobody have this much of time at this experience, but and this age is also one factor, right? So at this age, even I'm coming and trying to explain you, like these things are already done, already shown, right, to you. But see, I don't know, you guys are not checking the things properly. I will configure the partition myself. I am hitting done and create them automatically. Home, let me give 60 GB to home, or 40 GB is enough, I think. Home, anyway, we don't need much. So give 40 GB to home, update settings, and root. Let's give 60 GB to root, update settings, and swap memory. I will recommend minimum try 20 GB. I hope 20 GB should take. Let me see if it is taking or not. Yeah, 20 GB. Okay, 18 is taking. Uh, Let me remove it 39 GB from here. 39 GB. Okay, and I will adjust it to 19, or let me make it 20, because swap is very very important in terms of performance and in configuration. Perfect, we had did it. Accept the changes and that's it. Kdom, we don't want kdom. Just let me okay, switch on all the network, especially this network got switch off. Configure, and let me check. Automatically connect. Okay, okay, let it be localhost local domain, it's fine. Security policies, I do not want any issues from Linux level. And that's it. Begin installation, give the passwords. Okay, oh, AT port is the user, and give the password here also. 1 second. Any password is fine. Click done twice if you are using any sort of weak password. Okay, chalo. Let me take question answers. Okay, you guys can ping, okay? To my group, okay? Sir, what is mean by operation? Okay, chaliye. Let me go to paint. I will answer. 1 minute. If you okay, okay. Question is, sir, my arrow is not coming out, sir. Okay, Vishnu, you press right control button and then see it's out. When you double click again, you will be in. When you right and you try to go out, you will not able to. Just press right control. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Super. Okay. Now your question, sir. What is operation and what is orchestration? This question is asked in interview. Okay, interview में पूछा, right? Yeah, people are asking this question to your client interview. See, I will tell you what is operation. Already these things are explained, but anyway, let me 1 second. Okay. What is operation? They are asking you what is operation, right? I will tell you. See, what is operation? Means whenever an user, it could be an user or system, perform any action. What kind of action? Means if it is a user or system, keep in mind, because in OIM user and system both concepts are there, right? System, if it is a user or it is a system, if it perform any action, let's say if you are think like a user, if you perform any action in Oracle Identity Manager, what kind of actions you can perform? Anyone can tell me what kind of actions we can perform? Anyone, anything is fine. Like, I just want to see if you have any idea what you are doing. Anybody? What kind of operations we can perform? Anybody? WhatsApp, you can also ping me on WhatsApp also, you can also ping in group also. Yeah, yeah, anywhere you can ping, in YouTube you can. Yeah, sure, sure. Okay, yeah, I had opened my WhatsApp, I can able to see your doubt. Okay. I'm getting right, some answers are right. Yeah, like creating users. Perfect. Chalo, padhai likhai you guys are doing, creating role. Perfect. Changing password. Perfect. Anything else? There are so many examples, right? So whatever, as an user, if you are performing, okay, in OIM, that is called an operation. This is called an operation. This is called an operation. This is called an operation. Okay, sir. What is orchestra? I'm coming. I'm coming to orchestration. Allow me a minute. Let it happen, man. Yeah, see, almost done. So, see, the importance of your system is also very, very important. If you have a very high, powerful system, definitely installation and all those things will not take much time. Like some students were pinging, "Sir, I'm installing from 2 hours, but still, it's taking time." Somebody's telling, "I'm tired of it's still taking." Depend on performance and the hardware you have, right? Yeah, hardware is very, very important. We can't, deny that. Obviously. Yeah, let me ask my system. Yeah. Let me ask my team to ping in our, post the live session in our Facebook group also. Yeah, Katie put page. So if somebody else from our page, if you don't want, they can see that. Perfect. It's almost done. Huh? Chaliye, I will answer your next question. What is that? Orchestration, right? See, so operation you are clear whenever any user, okay, or any system perform anything in OIM, that is called an operation, right? Yes, from PS3 onward, all approval workflow depend upon the operation. That's right. That's right statement. Yeah. So an operation, right? An operation have some predefined stages. Let me write orchestration. So an operation has, see, these are all my definition only, right? That you will not find anywhere, right? Means I had given my whole life to this to find and make it simple, right? So definitely, if you want to go up to my level, you should be ready to invest your several life, the whatever you have time. Like, you can't be reaching in this level just in 1 or 2 year, even continuous. I'm talking, you need continuous 5, 6, 7, 8 years just in terms of OIM. Just OIM, I'm telling. Then only you will be reach at the perfection. You will able to see the things in easy way. That's what I'm giving training. I'm trying to educate this community. They should save the time. When I was a learner, believe me, I have money, but I do not have, I have dedications, money, but I was not having the people to teach me that time. That's why I'm trying to educate you. So an operation is nothing but it operation has a set of predefined stages, and those stages I call orchestration. Okay, now what are the stages? What are the stages we have? What are the stages we have? First of all, how many stages we have? Anyone? How many stages we have in orchestration? Can anyone will able to say me how many stages we have? Just tell me. Yes. Yes, right. Six. One person is saying two. Two stages. No, six. We have six stages. Anyway, you will go through all of that. That is called validation. Then pre-process, pre-process. Yes, action. Since you ask, I'm explaining. These things are already explained in the training. Okay, action, audit, because it's interview you are going through. That's why I'm helping. Post-process and finalization. Right? In any Java related thing, finalization is the last step always. Finalization. So yes. What is validation? Yeah. See, validation means what? Before performing, before perform the exact operation, what validation you require? What kind of validation you want to put in your system? That is called a validation phase. Then pre-process, pre-process, post-process. Yeah. Here we write our event handlers. Anyway, don't worry. We will be writing our event handler, in these stages, and try to, use these stages, these orchestration stages. Yeah. Sir, orchestration is how? Okay, Namrata GC, orchestrations is of two types. Okay, they ask this to client interview. Okay, orchestration is of two types. What you told? What was your answer? Sir, I don't know. Okay, no issues. If you don't know, no issues. You will be learning. See, orchestration is of two types: single user orchestration, and bulk user orchestration. Bulk user orchestration. Okay, sir, I googled, but I was not able to find answer. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Google, if you'll go through Google and master something, there will everybody would be master, right. All will be rank 1 in colleges. All would be rank 1 in IS exams, right. There will be nobody is calling 2. Internet have so many things, but not the exact things that will come with the experience, you know yeah, like for example in Python, right, when I was writing one code, some people can achieve the use cases in Python. There is a package, there is a shortcut packages are available. In There was one use case they were trying to do the same use case more than a month, which I can do just in a couple of minutes, because they are working in same Python, but they do not have the exposure of that package. That's why I'm saying, time will teach you the things, right. Google will not teach you the things. Okay, time and efforts. Then there are so many concepts, I given like more than 5 to 8 months, then I came to know just one small line of knowledge. That's what time. Okay, sir, what is pre-process? Pre-process, see, pre-process, post-process, everything we will come to know. Okay, we will definitely be coming to all of them. Sir, what are? Okay, see, uh what is your question? Can you plugin ओके, व्हाट इज द प्लगइन पॉइंट फॉर इवेंट हैंडलर? गाइस, आप लोग तो पूरा इवेंट हैंडलर पे स्टार्ट हो गए. ओके, दीज आर द टॉपिक्स ऑलरेडी देयर. लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज द प्लगइन पॉइंट. Okay, that is, I am feeling like I am giving interview. Okay, kernel.spi.event handler. Yeah, this is oracle.im.kernel.spi.event handler. This is the plugin point. See, it's taking time, I think. Okay, this is the plugin point. See, event handler, if they are asking, means I think this is it a popular topic nowadays in interview for your client? Like 2, 3 people are asking event handler related. Yeah. Okay. See, there are 3 types of event handler: pre-process, post-process. What you type, sir? Sir, I know. Yeah, you are telling, sir. I know pre-process, post-process, but third one I don't know. Third one is validation. Third one is validation. Validation handlers. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. If you worked on pre-process, event handler, post-process, you will only know two. But exactly there are three, right? Yes. Yeah. Right. Right. Okay. Cool. Okay. What is your question? What is a folder structure? See, these things we are going to learn. Let me just guys, आप लोग जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, whatever questions you are asking, those are very relevant and easiest question. Everybody, all the trainers, I'm not sure, but in my program I am taking. See, one folder is lib, one is meta-inf, one is plugin.xml. Yes, lib has jar file, right? This will meta-inf will have XML file, and plugin.xml have plugin point and plugin class. Yes, exactly, exactly. This is how you will go through. Mhm. Which class they implement? Okay. If you are writing post process handler, right? So you are, yes. First of all, you what how the code will start. You are which class you are which interface you are going to implement? Post process handler, right? And post process handler falls under which package? So you have to import, right? Like under Oracle IAM platform, these packages are present. Okay, you have to go kernel, and then you have to use SPI. These things I have told multiple time in my batches. Post process handler. Since I use these classes so many times, it is in my brain all the time. Then you have to write your class. Let's say public class. Let's say you are using a test class and you have to implement. Yes, exactly. Implement post process handler. Post process handler. And then you have to start writing your codes. Yes, under execute method. Exactly. Let's say public event result, public event result, and in the event result, execute is the method. Yeah, and here you have to pass the parameters. Whatever is the parameters needed, you have to pass those parameters, and then you have to write your piece of code over here, right? You can use different classes like entity manager, hash maps. Yeah, whatever is the use case given to you, you can easily do it. Yeah, exactly. Let me see what is the progress. Okay, perfect. So here we reached. It's asking me to reboot. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's go here. Accept the license. Done. Figure. Okay. Done. Finish the configuration. That's it. Sir, which table have IT resource information? Which table? You tell me which table have IT resource information. Okay, you don't know. Okay, SVR. SVR is a table which have IT resource information. Also SVD, you can say. SVD is another table. Yeah, see, SVR table have SVD table details. Okay. Yes. And SVD table have, the type of your IT resource, that is called SVD SVR type. Yeah, they have almost same kind of information, but that is related to your IT resource only. Exactly. Let me go there. AT port and see, here we are. Then just next. Allow me. Yeah, sure. See, I'm just expanding this. This look like something like this. Let us check. Networks are connected. Open the terminal and write ifconfig. Check out the IP addresses. Okay, then let me see if internet is working fine or not. Perfect. Let me switch to root. Let me stop the firewalls. Yeah, yeah. I stopped this firewall. Yeah. So this is the kernel. Definitely, first time when you are doing, errors will come. Okay. Yeah, you have to write yum install command, yum install, and kernel uec devel package. Okay, uec devel, and just paste, hit enter. Okay, some process ID is there. So kill -9, and what is the process ID? 3232. Now again run. Okay, it might give some. Let me see if it is able to do that or not. Okay, yeah, completed. Let me close the terminal and then insert the guest edition. I think here some issues will come. I had worked on different versions and also I know where the issue might appear. See, install GCC Perl and make. Then open a new terminal, switch to root, and just write yum install. Just you have to check what was that. GCC make and Perl. GCC make and Perl. These are the packages which are missing. Just install them. That's it. What is sorry? Yeah, thank you, Raviji. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Means, see, I'm the one who will come live and will definitely deliver. Nobody comes. I know. Yeah, definitely. By January will be ended, the fee will be increased, right? Because for first year, 10 people fees are limited. Yeah, few people already enrolled. When those who already know me, they already enrolled by end of the year. Yeah, in Christmas they enrolled for the program. January people enrolled. So almost 10 places are filled. Totally, I think this month we have total enrollment of 30 people, including the last month. Yeah, yeah, 25th December. Yeah, after January, means still I'm trying to offer the same course fee, but after January the course fee will not be same. It will be more. Yeah. Right now, yes. If you are going through website, see, I will show you. One second. First, let us do this. Okay. You have to eject. Okay. Keep in mind. Right click, or you can do it from here also. I will show you. Optical device. You remove disk from virtual. Force unmount. Then it will go. See, removed. Then go here and again insert the guest edition. Okay, not coming. It should auto pop up. Yeah, exactly. Eject. Let me try again. Otherwise, we will manually will go and do it. Okay. Yeah, run. Give the password. Yeah, I try to have same password all the time. Okay, let me come to that. See, if you are going through now, the fee is $349. Okay, through website. Yeah. So website, why we are charging? Because you have to, we have to pay rental fee on this, server maintenance charges, domain charges, everything. Yeah. So for that there is a fee, but when you enroll offline, we are charging 20,000 right now. But yeah, after January it will be 25,000. Yeah. Yeah, if I talk about an lifetime access, obviously, and those people apart from other people are charging recursive, either quarterly or yearly you have to pay. So I do not charge like that, and also offering in low. Yeah, but definitely like uh yeah, I don't need that because I have a very big community. I don't need to charge yearly because uh, they have two or three four people only. Okay, enrolling to them, so they charge recursively so that they can make money. I don't need that because I have a audience. Whatever the audience I have, they are genuine, and every month I keep getting audience. I don't need any sort of recursion. Whatever they can enroll in 1 year, I can enroll in 1 month easily because of the quality I'm offering. Yeah, exactly. And no one will come and exactly. Thank you guys, thank you for your valuable comments to me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not able to see any YouTube comments, guys. That's the problem. I don't know. I'm using Prism Live, and here, if I'm going, I don't know. Means chat I had inserted, but I don't see any. Yeah, I can't see any chat. I will check actually. No, nothing is showing. Oh, here some people. Okay, okay. I was not able to see here. Okay, okay. Now I can see. Oh, yeah. I was using OBS Studio earlier to my, my earlier YouTube channel. Same Katie Pod was the name. Here, this Katie Pod I had reopened. So, means I'm using Prism this time. It offers some better platform to me. Okay. Hitting enter. That's it. Time to reboot. Let's reboot. Okay. Yeah, thanks for it. You just reminded me. Yeah, I was not knowing. Here we can see chat. Okay, thanks for letting me know. Okay, maybe you guys already use this, right? That's why you know how to use. I Prism I am not used. First time I'm using. Yeah, see, now people are saying, sir, guest edition work नहीं कर रहा, not working, right? This kind of messages I get. See, guys, आपके सामने किया live. Everything done in front of you, nothing hidden or something. Like that's the issue with the self-paced courses. They will give you a video that is recorded in 1990s. That software is not present nowadays. Trainer is not present nowadays. Either he left the training, or he is in some domain, or he's not available, right? And you are going through getting issues. Nobody will come, right? Nobody will come. I know. Yeah, that's why. Like, I'm doing everything in front of you live. Even I'm giving you my recording, because I can't speak up for again 70 hours, right? 70 hours, Yeah. You will feel, sick after speaking 70 hours. That's why I'm giving you the training videos, and then I'm coming up, continuously taking your doubt clearing sessions to help you. But you see, I know when you follow the video, there will be some issues. There will be doubt. It will not be cleared. That is the purpose of KT Pod, right? We are coming up and trying to help you out. Right, we're not only giving video. See, yesterday, like, few comments, I got in my WhatsApp, like, sir, I followed, but sir, guest edition is not working, I'm not getting full screen. Abhi kaise hua? How I am able to do that, right? I did in front of you only. Right, all done. Please confirm me on WhatsApp. Sir, create Telegram group. Arey, I'm not using Telegram. I don't use Telegram, you know no, I don't use. I don't like. I don't need. I Whatever my student, I directly give my number, right? Directly in touch. Okay. Okay, so till here I think everybody is fine. We had installed the guest edition successfully, right? Everything is perfect. Uh can we check if config? See, this is the IP. Can we check? Are we able to ping it from outside of our machine? All those things. Yes, exactly. CMD ping. See, we are able to ping. So copy paste is also working. So guest edition is installed successfully. Yeah, successfully. Yeah. Now, taking the snapshot, right? Go to snapshot. I will take a snapshot. What is that? Linux 7 installed so far. I'm using, yeah, or Linux installed. Okay, well, let me write version. Okay, 7.9 install. Okay, fine. See, this is how it will take the snapshot. That later you can remove also. Okay, snapshot is completed. Can we create Oracle account? Chalo, let's do that. Yeah, you have to. Yes, exactly. Pre-install utility you have to run. Yes, right. Let me. Okay, if config. Okay, let me first change the host file. Copy. Let me jump to root. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Okay. Now let me let me ping example.com. What is that, sir? You are showing this in YouTube live. Anybody can see. Also, देखने दो ना. What's the issue? If anybody can see that, see, you are thinking you paid and why I'm giving this in YouTube for free. See, this thing, even if you see, doesn't mean you will able to, do all the OIM training yourself. Even you watch my video, see, you will not able to do. You stuck. You need me. I know that. This is how anybody design the program. You need them, right? So don't worry. This is simple things. Even though I know these kind of videos are not available, you know in order to just install the Linux and VirtualBox, you will go through several video, but you will not able to do that. I know even this video is precious, but yeah, today just we are doing this doubt clearing session we are doing out on YouTube. Okay, next we will do on GoToMeeting only. Yeah, yeah. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me create Oracle user. Can we proceed? So RDBMS server we will be using, and you can use 11G, 12C, depend on the kind of product you are using. Spelling mistake. See, you can see like I'm doing the things like a piece of cake, like straightforward, clean. Obviously, when you are doing, you are finding difficulty. What is the issue? Yeah, why you are not able to do so? The reason is time. I invested a lot of time in this product, a lot of time. That's the reason that perfection comes. Like when I will do, it will smoothly, it will end up. When you will be doing, you will find difficulties, but it doesn't mean you will not able to reach this. You just need to pay attention, and the way I had explained the course, believe me, I took 10, 15 years to reach here. You will just able to achieve this just in couple of years. Hardly in 1 year, you will be achieving this perfection. Okay, let me log out. We don't need this user anymore. Next remaining we will be doing in Kate Oracle user. Yeah, exactly. Oracle. See, we are in the Oracle user now. Sir, which brand laptop is good? See, Ajay ji, you can buy any brand laptop. That's not a problem. Any brand. I use Dell. My preference, I like Dell. But you can use any brand. That's not an issue. Just try a good hardware, means motherboard, servers. This means, RAM. This should be better. That's it. Okay. So see, everybody have this Linux server installed. Let me now remove this. Okay. See how to remove. Just select this, delete. This is how we delete the snapshot. Let us take a new snapshot. Means step by step, when I'm proceeding further, I'm keep taking the snapshot. So Oracle user created. Oracle user created. That's it. Now database and all those installation, we can proceed from here. So I hope you got this. At least at this level, you, whoever, this, you 4 5 people, right, who are coming to this webinar, because you are not even able to reach up to this level. Even by watching videos, you are getting some issues. So that's why I told, okay, let me do it again in front of them and parallelly. So can you confirm how many of you? Sir, I am in installation phase. Okay, no issues, no issues. You just go through installation phase. Video is live, you can again do it, or otherwise you can ping me. Okay. Yeah. So I think I'm running from more than, yeah, almost 1 hour I'm running this live session. So it's time to conclude. Okay, just go through this, make the system ready, and next step will be database and servers installation that you go through. And if doubt will be there, anything will be there, or any other, any kind of issues you are facing, please don't hesitate to ping me. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Okay, guys. What is that? Sir, what is WLST? See, WLST is nothing but a scripting tool. Whatever you can achieve from WebLogic console, you can achieve almost same from a command line. That is WLST. Obviously, we will using. If you want a hardcore knowledge in WebLogic, then definitely there is another program offered by me you can go through. But whatever WebLogic for Oracle Identity Manager is needed is there. SOA workflow, whatever is needed is there in the course. You don't need to go and search anywhere else. Yeah, that's right. Okay, guys. So I'm just concluding the webinar now. Already is 1 hour, right? I just this thing how much time it can take. As per my experience, it should not take more than 1 hour, more than 30 minutes installation. But due to you, I'm sitting, trying to take a two-side conversation, trying to help you out to achieve your goals. Okay, so you are not alone here. Don't worry. Okay, guys. Okay, then yeah. See you then next week. Yeah. Thank you.